In this video, you'll learn how to delete a Wecasa account. By following these steps, you will be able to contact Wecasa support to request the permanent deletion of your account. Start by logging into your Wecasa account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can find various sections related to your account settings. Look for the help or support section, which is typically located in the menu or the footer of the page. Once you access the help or support section, you will see options to contact customer service. This may include a chat feature, a contact form, or an email address. Choose the method you prefer to reach out to Wecasa support directly. If you decide to send an email, address it to their support team. In your message, clearly state that you would like to request the permanent deletion of your account. Be sure to include any relevant account information that could help them process your request efficiently. After submitting your request, Wecasa support may reach out to you to confirm your identity. They might ask for verification through your registered email address or phone number. Be prepared to provide this information promptly to avoid delays in processing your request. Once your identity is confirmed, Wecasa will proceed with the account deletion process. You should receive a confirmation message once your account has been permanently deleted. Keep in mind that this is the official and safe way to delete your account, as there is no self-service delete option available. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.